We began the Center for Business Innovation at CCBC because we found many of our students and alumni are looking to start new businesses. Every fall, we host our annual business plan competition where you can earn the opportunity to pitch your idea before a panel of judges. You can earn up to $20,000 in seed money to turn your idea into something real.
By entering the business contest, I was forced to focus and write a business plan and take my idea and turn it into a company. And I won $5,000 in the contest, which definitely helped with the startup cost and helps me grow.
We were awarded a grand prize of $20,000, and with those seed funds, we were able to launch our business, and it helped us secure more than $50,000 in other grant prizes. If it wasn't for CCBC, we would not be able to launch our business and make our dream come true.
I won $1,500 and I turned that into more than triple of the sales since winning, and now I am leaving my full-time job to go full on in my own business. Watch out, Martha Stewart, I am coming for you.
Once somebody wins funding through the business pitch competition, that's not it. They don't just write them a check. They have to come back and go through that post-victory training to make sure that they continue down that right path.
I want to just say, if you've got a business idea that you want to try out, come see us.